Hello everybody, my name is John Freddy Salazar. In this case for Advanced English 2, I'm going to develop this short video about a tale called Tokyo, the Spoiled Princess. Tokyo, the Spoiled Princess. Once upon a day, there were a princess named Tokyo, who lived with the king and the queen in a big castle in the city of Notre Dame. In the castle, there were a lot of servants for each task, even for washing the feet of the princess. Between the staff who performed the task of washing the feet of the princess, there was a young boy named Denver. That young boy was a very applied, shy and humble, but in addition, he was also a very collaborative person. Due of he was distinguished by always being able to help other people, no matter what kind of character or personality had the other person. On the other hand was the Princess Tokyo. This girl, for being the only daughter of the kings, she became a spoiled, despot, arrogant, and humiliating young princess, which asked and required to her parents all the whims that she wanted. Since these things as simple as a strand fruit, until having to sacrifice a human person who didn't fulfill their whims. Of this way, she required her parents to have a young and humble named Denver as her personal slave, requests that her parents accepted without putting any kind of opposition. Thus, this spoiled girl took the personal slave named Denver and used him for everything, even her daily routines, as they play the role of imitate and would do the different sort of animals. She wanted that he accompanied her on walks through the hood, even to throw cool with the feathers while she was taking a nap or she slept. The young Denver played and humbly performed everything the prince wanted. But the princess, in her arrogance, became so abused towards the young slave, to the point of hitting him, because of she has always felt the queen and owner of the world. Most of the time, her parents aren't agree with her bella boy, but they don't say anything to her. Only the counselor told her something about her bella boy. We say gear or monster, as it may be called, ignore it and continue abusing of her young Denver. On the other hand, there were in the town many girls who were envious of her position due to her beauty, her wings, and also because all young boys wanted with her. Reason why, and what nobody knew, was that a young woman called Van Helsing had been studying witchcraft during 3 years, and she was ready to perform the attack against the spoiled Princess Tokyo. Suddenly, the Princess Tokyo started experiencing nightmares with elves, which hurt her during the night, and she woke up with bruises and scratches in the morning in all the body. Her parents couldn't believe what was happening unless how avoid it. They had tried different ways to solve this situation, but really nothing didn't work. On the contrary, the problem was worse in the next week. The princess started hit against the walls like a demon. Nobody knew how to get put finish to the princess' suffering. Therefore, young Denver, desperate about what was happening, decided to go for looking new solution in the forest. Suddenly, while he was walking through the forest, he saw something really strange in the distance. Slowly he got closer to that place, and he could watch and listen to the young Van Helsing with another friend. They were talking about the church princess. When the girls detected the young man's presence, they ran back to him to attack him. He very carefully got to escape all attacks and got entered to the castle again. And fastly he told the secret to the king, who at the beginning was a bit suspicious about the young Denver was talking about. But really, he didn't have another option more to try it. Well, the queen and the king got into the princess' bedroom, where she was resting a little. Everybody was waiting out the room for a long time for some good news about the princess, but everybody felt that the time was running so slowly, and everyone was in abeyance. In that moment, and so slowly, the princess' bedroom door was open, and the three bodies were appearing on the end of the door. Everyone continued in suspense, but at the end everybody was too happy due to the princess Tokyo was cured and all in the castle was a party. While the queen, king, and the princess asked to the young Denver how to know that saying the wish names 3 times backwards was the solution, to which he referred in the story. Finally, Tokyo realized and accepted that the person who she caused most harmful was the person who helped her with her big issue. Hence, Tokyo was so apologizing with Denver, and she always was grateful with him. And thus to this Denver good at, the princess decided to accept to Denver like her boyfriend, and the relationship between they every day was better. Even they were thinking in get married. Thank you. Bye.